Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am excited to review some EDC gear. You guys know I'm a sucker for things that make my life easier. So I got a few things from Tale of Knives and I'm incredibly excited. I have been working closely with Megan. She is actually Miss Tale of Knives, and together with her husband they run this amazing company that really helps you carry your EDC gear in style but also in a very functional sort of way. So let's see what we got. I actually have not opened the box yet, so we'll see. I'm going to show you the packaging and on all that. So packaging is really cool. The box is amazing. It's leather gear. Everything in here is leather and it is hand stitched. So let's see what we got. Okay. It says, break in your gear. Kind of like that. Oh, that's really cute. Very nice setup. Let's see what the card says. Enjoy the gear, Carla, Jeremy, and Megs. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's see what we got. Little crinkle paper. I put this to the side so I can show you guys what else we got. Then we got a couple of stickers, handmade in the USA, Tale of Knives. Another one right here. And this one I believe is Megan's, Miss Tale of Knives with the peach. Beautiful. If you see her Instagram page, I will actually link all of their stuff in my bio, not bio, in my description. She actually does a lot of EDC for women. Like, you know, most of us really wear leggings a lot. So she shows how to use some of their products with leggings. So it makes it a little bit more female friendly, which I actually appreciate. And a lot of the decisions I made in the things that I have got for myself are because of that. So I'm really excited. Let's see. Let's start with this smaller little bag. I love the packaging. Did that get cut off? I don't know what happened. Anyway, love the packaging. Very nice, you guys. I kind of like the thought on this. Okay. Oh, yay. Okay, so this is my wallet with the Tale of Knives logo, hand stitched. This one is actually in olive green. And I believe that everything I got today is olive green, just because I kind of wanted that military feel. Look how nice this is. Isn't this cool? Okay, so excited to try this one. And it does have a groove in here, which makes it easier for you to pull out your cards. I think that's a very, very well thought out feature. You can have cards here, and then you can have cards over here. Pretty cool. Now, second thing that I got, another cute bag, and my keychain. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. It looks really nicely made, also in olive green. It has this amazing hook. So here's my thing with the keys, you guys. I tend to just throw them in a purse and forget about them, and I really hate it. So this will actually allow me to hook them on my jeans and use them. I'm excited. I will show you guys at the very end. I'm going to do a try on of all these things. So stay tuned so I can show you everything in here. So right now we have these two things. They match. Kind of love that. Let's see what else. Next up. Oh yeah, I forgot I got this one. So I really wanted to try this one too. This one is actually in a sort of like also the olive green with the stitching and everything. And it has the key holder in this kind of brass finish, but differently from this one. This has a clip, so you can actually attach this to a belt. Looks like a regular size belt, or your jeans, and you can just dangle your keys from it. That is beautiful. It really looks like a high-end product, honestly, and I'm excited to put my keys on it and show you guys how it looks with jeans, because honestly they do have these in different sizes and in different finishes. I know my choices were black leather, brown leather, the olive green, and now they have a red, which looks really, really cool. I think that's what I'm getting next, but both for male and female. I mean, how cool does this look? Stay tuned for the try on. And last but not least, this one I'm excited about. Also in a cute little bag. Man, the presentation is beautiful. Actually, wait, let me show you what it says here. It says, condition as needed with your favorite leather conditioner. Leave tools in overnight, use your gear, allow a couple of weeks for full break-in. So you can actually break in the leather if that's like the look that you prefer. That's kind of a nice thing. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. I love this. Okay, so guys, this is actually a knife holder with a clip. I love their logo and their branding. It does a tail of knives here. I did pick the threading to be also green. Also, everything here is hand stitched, as I mentioned. It has the clip for your belt or just to wear directly on your pants or leggings or shorts. And let me see, do I have my knife here? Okay, I do have my PM2. Let's see how this looks. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Wow, this looks incredible. Right. How sweet is that? And I believe honestly that you don't need to put the clip in. I just did that, but I don't think you have to. See? That looks amazing. And then you clip it. Okay, now let's actually go there. So here's what I got. I got my knife holder with a clip. I got my key holder with the clip. Then I got my keychain holder. So I'm obviously going to wear one or the other, but I will show you both. And my wallet. So now let's pause this and move on to the try on. I'm excited. Okay guys, I'm back. I moved the camera on so I can do the try on. So let's get started with, I want to show you the key thing first because it's my most favorite. So I bought 2 sets of keys. This is like my regular key situation. It's gigantic and ridiculous, but that's kind of like what I use. So I'm not gonna change anything. I just clipped the keys, right? Now I can just hook this to my jeans. You can even put it in the back if you don't want them on the front. I love them on the front. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. How cool is that? That looks amazing. And guess what? You need them done. And you have kind of like a cool little piece hanging from there. That is really cool. I don't have to like dig through anywhere to find my keys anymore. And I just noticed there's a little lanyard hole there that you could use. I love the finish. I love the look. I'm super happy with this one. Okay, so this other one, if I'm not mistaken, I believe this one can be used backwards. So let me grab my other set of keys. So the way I would use this is you clip it to your belt loop. And then you would actually, I think this is how you do this. You will get your set of keys through the loop. And now it's sort of like when you take this off, you take off the entire thing. So now you don't have anything that stays in. I like that. Do I like it more than the other one? Maybe. I really like that because you can kind of like take them off, use them, put them back on. It's really quick. And then you actually always will have this attached to your keys, sort of like a keychain. I like that a lot. Okay, now let's do the knife holder. I left my PM2 in there. So let's see. I think I'm gonna kind of put it in the same location so you guys can see. So that is that. And honestly, here's how this would work. I would think if you had a belt. So this is the cool thing. You can wear this with a belt or without it. I typically don't wear belts. This is kind of tight. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Yeah, I don't typically wear belts, but I kind of like the idea of having what I need. I love this. I know men love these things too, but I'm loving it for myself as well. And then we have the wallet. And honestly, I don't have anything to try this on. However, I did want to kind of put it in my pocket. I do. Look, I went to Legoland. This is my my room key card. So let's see. if I put it on the front, pull it right out, that's easy. If you put it on the back, you have that, so you push that up, slides right out, perfect. And honestly, I would carry this in my back pocket. This is great, you guys. I love it. And again, you can put this wherever it's comfortable. Some people will hold it in the back, some in the front, sort of like how you would potentially carry your weapon. I love the setup, love the finish, love the color. It looks expensive, but I believe all of these things, the 4 things I got, were $150. So honestly, well worth the investment. I do have a code for Tale of Knives. I will put it all in the description of this video. So if you'd like to get one of these things, check it out and use my code. I think it's totally worth it. Okay guys, that does it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will start doing more EDC gear reviews because I think it's incredibly useful, and there's a lot of amazing people that have these amazing businesses that make our lives easier. So I hope you enjoy it. Also, remember to follow me on Instagram. I have a Patreon and a Teespring store, as well as a great membership program here on YouTube that you can subscribe to if you'd like. Now, if this is the first time you're in the channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, and I will see you guys soon in another knife review, creative concealed carry idea, EDC review gear, or some shenanigans. Have a good one. Bye.